I exist. I exist as I've always existed. And here I exist again, existing even more than I've ever existed once. Hello. How's it going? I guess I'm not supposed to talk until people say things. But I also said, if you talk, you will be banned. So do I have no choice but to just talk into the void, and then hope that anyone returns? Last time I streamed, my computer was busted. So, I'm trying to think about how long ago that was. That'd be November, right? So I guess it's been 1, 2, 3, 4-ish and a half months. But I'm back. I would say I'm ready, but my new Twitch interface still needs a lot of work. But it's good enough. I have to start streaming, because if I don't, I'll never get anything done. You also have to let me know if the music is too loud. I'm having issues trying to balance that. Hello, Photogenic. You are the first. You are the new and polished and beautiful Gloober entity that has come into my world. Anyway, he sent a message, so I won't. There's a lot more that needs to be randomized, but I want the new guys to be a bit more randomized. Right now, all it is color. You have a very, very green one. Can you see my mouse, by the way? You're not supposed to be able to see my mouse. I bet you can. Oh, no, you can't. Okay, that's good. Yeah! I hope... Can't see mouse? What is that? Can you? Can you? Hold on. Oh, I can't really test this without bringing my OBS onto my main screen. Wait. Was able to. Hold on. Properties. Okay, that can capture cursor, but this. Properties. Don't capture cursor. Okay. So now when I do this, you shouldn't see my cursor. Okay. Alright. Perfect. And now if I go back, there we go. I'm sorry for the wait. I'm sorry this took so long, but I'm here. My goal is to stream on more of a schedule. Wednesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, and possibly Sundays at this time. So how's that? What else? So tempted to ping your server. Okay, listen. I just want to make a good first impression, and the Twitch interface isn't done yet. It's not. Here's a list of things. Here's a list of things that need to be done. Number 1. Hold on. I should probably do something. Oh yeah. By the way, if I use my mouse on my main screen, it like animates the arm to show where my mouse is, so I can like drag this around and stuff. This is one of the first things I wanted to do with interface 1.0, but I didn't end up doing it. Then I rewrote the entire thing, and that was the first thing I did. And then if I go off screen, it just wobbles back down. Okay. So I need to... First of all, face cam doesn't work yet. I'm so sorry. I want that done by tomorrow. I want a better what's the word, like background music system? I would like a jukebox you can interact with, or some sort of like audio device in the Goober world below, down here in this area. I want there to be some interactable thing. Let's do skip songs and shows you what the current song playing is. But more importantly, automatically makes the volume good, so I don't ever have to tinker with that ever again. Because, man, it is spooky. It is spooky not knowing how loud things are. Volume levels and such. It says I'm unstable. Average stream bitrate a bit too high. Hello, Lion Barrel! Welcome. Is that a message? Is that automatically makes the volume good? That is a massive project. That is not a massive project. Also, what just happened? What? Wait, what is this? What just happened? Did I crash? Whoa. Wait, what just happened? Oh no! Let's see. Let's see what happened here. Program crash with signal 11. Blah, 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 blah. No debug info because this isn't a custom built thing. Wow! No! No! Of course. Of course I'm sabotaged like this. Oh, thank you for the streak. I've had 3 streaks. I've had 3 streams that are streak, compatible, I guess? I can't believe this. I still don't have Who's This Diva as an emote, by the way. I'm mad. Okay, so... Well, shit. What do I do? What caused this? There are many questions I have questions for, and no answers. If I run it again, will it automatically capture it? Is the other question. Well, let's see. Is it? No, it's still on that. Oh my god. See? Photogenic. This is why you can't ping anyone, because things are going to be broken. Of course things are going to be broken. They're always broken. Can you just capture this, OBS? Thank you. Okay, there we are. There we are. Secondly, Lion Barrel sent a message. Lion Barrel sent a message, but I don't see Lion Barrel in the world. Wait. Was Lion Barrel's message what caused it to break? Also, you're not the same... Uh-oh, is it crashing again? Is it no! 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 What is happening? It's a single emote that's not... That can't be. That can't be. I'm so glad I called this interface test 1. I knew it was going to be bad, but I didn't know it was going to be this bad. Oh, is it 1? Really? Okay, but that didn't happen. I've tested this. I've tested this. It should work. Let's try again. Okay, run. It's gonna full screen. All right. Here's the other issues. I made it so my messages don't count anymore. So you're gonna have to help me with this. Photogenic. Send something that isn't a single emote message. And then we'll see how that does. You're also supposed to... I mean, see, that works. And look at this. This is also a priority I had. Just for you. Animated emotes now work. All emotes work. They're beautiful. So that's why I'm shocked. Because... Okay, and there's... Okay, you're so right. You're right. It is. It's the single emote. What? Oh, no. How did I miss that? Okay. I could have sworn I tested I tested like 5 emotes, but I never tested just 1. Why would that crash, though? Oh, no, what? I did send a single emote message before, and it didn't crash, but also didn't pick it up. Interesting. You're right, I see it. Or was that the one that crashed it, and it just... I don't know. Damn. To think I was gonna come in here and do Blender level, production. To think I was going to do something. Crazy. Insane. Unbelievable. I know. Wow, I didn't mean to completely ruin your whole stream. It's okay. No, this is good. This is good. What I really want to know why is my bitrate so fudged? I set OBS to, like, be stream friendly, so I don't know what that's about. But no, y'all are all good. I'm glad we're figuring this out now. When I when I'm not in stream promo mode yet. Why is Lion Barrel messaging? Because Lion Barrel, like, gifted like 3 bajillion subs, but also did it right when I stopped streaming, so like no one got to use them. But Lion Barrel is our sovereign, the one we worship, the one who brings subs to the chat. I don't know, I like the message. I don't like how it doesn't show who the message is sent by, though. Like, it just says pinned by some randev, and then it just shows the 2 emotes. This is our... How long has this been pinned, though? Sent at 7:05 p.m. It was a current hype train conductor. I will repin upon next hype train conductor that exists in the world. Or unless the pin would be funny for whatever reason. If you expand it, it does show them. Yeah, but I feel like it should be like this person sent, and then that should be in the main thing, because you're supposed to like be highlighted when your message is pinned. I don't know. All right, all wrong, all left, all right. I guess this is just going to be a stream interface fixing stream. I'm not really sure what to I'm trying to think if there's anything I can't show in this. This should be fine, right? Wait. I found an error. Is this related? Okay, look. Message texture.gd92 add text parameter p is null. That actually doesn't help at all. There's no parameter p in here. This doesn't work. And a lot of this code is taken from the Twitcher example, so I'm not entirely sure where things could even break. Okay. Well, let's see. So it's 1 emoji. So that would mean we'd have a fragment type of just 1 that adds an emote thing here with this current text. So current text should be a sprite, then a path to the emote. So could it be that there's something with the way it's creating a new emoji that isn't saved? Here's another theory. Here's theory 2.0, which is what if like it doesn't even have to be just a message with an emote, because your one you sent that was successful that says like this, that was the second time you sent that emoji, which means it could be a preloading issue. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click play, and we're going to open this up. Oh, okay, don't worry about that. I need you to send like the same emoji you sent before, but in like as just 1, like the licking one. What is this? Shezler lick? Sheezer lick. Yeah, see, that emoji works. And then send Sheezer lick by itself. I don't know if that's how you pronounce that. See, that one works. No. It needs to be this one, right? Like, this is an animated one. Oh, okay. Was that the one that Lion Barrel used to crash before? Okay, so that kills the theory. That kills the theory. It is just a single emote, which is better, I think, because I just don't know why it's happening, though. Oh, I have more debug messages. It's this again. Add a text, parameter p is null. What does that have to do with current text, though? Current text should just be a string, right? What would that have to do with anything? Okay. Is it because I'm dropping a sprites for... You know, I had a new philosophy where I wasn't going to do any programming on stream. I was going to focus entirely on level design, because that is a more visual, sort of artistic thing to do. And also, force me to have a schedule to work on things like levels. all this code looks like Minecraft enchantment spells. Yeah. I'm gonna dismiss the ad break. No, not dismiss. I want to snooze. Okay. You can never escape the programming. This is so sad. What do I even do? Where do I even begin? Well, I can't properly test things like this while I'm streaming, so I think I'm gonna call that a day for today. Thank you, Photogenic and Lion Barrel, for coming out. I'm going to call this test complete, and I will see you all tomorrow, because my schedule is Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, so it's those 3 days. I will be back at this time. And hopefully I should have more features, and things should be nice, and your character should be saved even when the thing crashes. That's another bug that I don't think you noticed, but your gooblers should keep their randomized freaking colors and heads and stuff for each stream. And there's gonna be like a whole system where you can randomize them, and then eventually over time create your personalized goobler. But until then, don't overwork yourself. So I should be lime coat and orange head. Well, none of it's been saved, so none of that matters. But as a thanks for you being here and helping me, I will, if there was a generation you liked that you saw during this stream, you can let me know, and I'll go back in the VOD and figure it out and make you lime coat and orange head. You should have 5 colors though. It should be, I think it was all the, that's the other thing. I think I need to add some code to make sure the colors aren't all the same when they're randomly generated. Not because that's an issue with the randomization, but because it looks bad, and it just, I think that happened through sheer chance. I think. I could be wrong. Who knows? Who knows? Anywho's, goodbye. Well, actually, we still have 3 more minutes until the thing. Let's see. Okay, let's see if I can figure this out within 3 minutes, and then I'll call it a day. So, where's this crashing is the first question. It keeps pointing to this. It keeps pointing to this line of code, which might mean that it's something with the code above. It needs to be something with native code executing. So get sprite frames, and then this does a bunch of stuff with Twitch emote loading. Get emotes by definition. And then this has stuff. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's something with Twitcher. Isn't Twitcher fully implemented in GDScript though? What could Twitcher be using that would result in these like native errors? Oh, okay. I'm so mad because it was working. Wait, here's a test. Okay, Photogenic or Lion Barrel, can you do me a favor, and I want you to send a message where it starts with an emoji, but like has text in it. So like it'd be like this and then text like that. So something like that. Okay. So the issue isn't that there is, okay, first of all, close this. The issue isn't that it's a single emoji. The issue is it's starting with an emoji. Who's this diva? You taunt me! I want that. Oh my god, it looks so... Why does it say limited time only emotes? Does that mean it's no longer... No, that can't be right. No, that'd be crazy, right? Oh, hold on, I'm going down a rabbit hole. Oh, that's spooked. I don't think they're all limited times. I think that just means, right? Oh god, wait, what? Okay, no, we're not gonna worry about that. No, I have to know. Twitch current emotes. Current hype train emotes. Here it is. One more brand new set of hype. That doesn't mean you get rid of the old ones, right? Like, surely all the old ones are still there. I think those emotes aren't available. No. You're telling me it's impossible to get Who's This Diva anymore? I will cry. I will fucking cry if it's impossible. Okay, no. According to twitch.tv/s/article/hype train guide, Who's This Diva is still listed as a level 1 hype train emoji. So I think it's okay. No, it's fine. It's fine. Worst case scenario, I'd just have to buy an account from someone else who has the emoji and just stream from that instead. You have to get lucky, or I have to just get every single level 1 hype train emoji until there's none left except that one. All right. Let's think. So you have to start with it. Is this an issue? So I think this is getting generated just fine. This is going to be generated here with text. So if I print result message, this will be fine. This will print just fine. The issue comes down to I think the transformer or whatever it's called, the sprite frame effect. So this is having issues, I bet you. I double dog dare you. Custom effect. Something in here is going wrong, maybe? Maybe? But even then, that doesn't make much sense. I didn't write this code. It's not my fault. So maybe it's something wrong with the regex, maybe? Like, regex, I'm sorry, this must be abysmal to look at with how, like, zoomed out it is. This is not a good stream. This is, okay. So it searches all these and finds matches. So I'm gonna guess these two. These are my gambles. So I'm gonna guess something with regex searching. Or maybe it could be with loading the path. Print path ID. Okay. It's really upsetting that that's such a weird thing for it to have an issue with. And then it doesn't. And here's the other scary part is that this error we keep replicating isn't even the original error. The original error was something native with an undiscernible stack trace. So what the hell is up with that? Run? All right, Photogenic, are you still here? Send the emote. Send the emote. I just like using other people's code, to be honest, because then I don't know how exactly it works. Yeah, but I mean, like, that's all things, though. Everything you want to, or whatever crashes. I mean, single or with single and then text. Because this is a new library called Twitcher. And, you know, it's like, what am I going to do? Oh, all right. I got licked. Okay. Debugger. Now I have more outputs. Yeah, single. See, the badges work. That's what's weird. Is the badge? Oh, here's. Wait. What? Wait a second. So this doesn't even count as a thing. It counts as a. Wait, what the fuck? Message type? Text, highlighted, subpoint, user intro, power. There's so many different types. That should be the error message if you can find. This is really weird. Because I don't even think a single emoji Is it that it's not handled, or is that it crashed before it even got to here? Which would be insane. How could that even happen? From loading the emotes from the fragments? And there's like all these weird awaits. Could this be the source of my distress? I think it crashed after trying to print it. Well, it didn't even print the text for the message in the console. This is all badges and like your message alone. So it has to be something here with media loader get emojis by definition. Something inside of here is causing an issue. But that still doesn't explain why there's an issue with it being first. That should have no bearing on the loading behavior of the stuff in the, like, the loading works. It works. So then how the hell is there an issue with this? Media loader? Load emojis from fragment. Okay, and then we have all of my fragments. And if it's of type emote, it does all the stuff, which should be the same no matter what. That can't be the issue. I say, absently mindedly, despite it probably being the issue. But like, frickin' fricks, when will you learn? Okay, this is the line that it keeps saying the issue is happening on, so let me print this current text that's trying to return. And then let me also print all this stuff. Print fragment ID. And then resource path. And then run that. All right, photogenic. One more time. One more time. Send it. 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 Or don't. I'm not the boss of you. If you just never send it. Okay. 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 Also, okay, now it says my bitrate is excellent. So I wonder if the bitrate is having issues because I have a Twitch interface that has a lot of crazy grass and like details in it that's constantly moving. Okay, what printed? Nothing even printed. So I'm right. It doesn't even get to this point. It doesn't. Does it get to add text? Where does it get to? It's not fair. It's not fair. What? What? I don't understand. Okay, print before stuff. So it's an error with trying to fetch the message. I don't even know. I don't know what it is. It has to be I don't know. Because how can it be an error with trying to fetch emojis when it's able to do it with other messages? Does it even get to on message? Print on message happened. And here's the other thing is, am I just having this issue because I don't know. This, well, let me look at the message handler. So this happens, but this happens before. So there's all this other stuff that's happening too. But your Goobler is created. So I don't think it says, you could see it in the frozen frame that it exists. So something with the calling maybe? Print, calling start. Print, calling, and, forget. Print, message, instantiate, start. All right. One more. Send it. Woo! Whoa! Okay. What does that give us? Output. On message happened. Oh, okay, so we get to this. It starts before stuff happens. So it literally is just the add text. There's something in this function, which is what it told us before, so I should have known, but which of these functions is it? Okay, well, here we go. I hate doing this. I hate doing this so much. I have 1 minute till the forced ad break where I'm just gonna call it. So I'm just gonna need one more message. One more message from you, Photogenic, in just a second. Well, it has to be in the emo one, right? So does this complete? Or is it from this? 1.5. That's my style of shit debugging, where I just type numbers and hope they appear in sequence. Because I don't really need to put details on them. You can figure out which one of them is the one that it stopped with. Okay. Ooh. This one, it just didn't even... You're right. It does the thing where it won't even print sometimes. Well, this is happening because it's undefined behavior. There's some stupid C... What the fuck? What is this? What is that? What is that? No! Huh? Wait, did you just send another? Oh, there we go. Okay. Okay. Push force up. It's load emotes from Fragment. There has to be something here, but it can't. Why would the order have any impact on this? Because it doesn't even check for any other types. Well, okay. That's about that. I'm gonna call it here. Can you even see me? There should be an ad starting soon, but I don't know if it actually is. But in case there isn't, this is where we call it for today. See you tomorrow with fixes, hopefully. Wait, it's a pending? What does that mean? What does that mean? Why is it a pending? Hey, Juji. I gotta go. I gotta go. I love that emote, though. Cat pride, that's so cute. Anyway, goodbye, everyone. Should I? I feel like you always should, right? Because that gives people points. How do I raid again? How do I raid? I don't know how to raid. I've completely forgotten how to use Twitch. What the hell? How do I do this? I'm just gonna hit end stream. Goodbye.